Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. Working on a 2011 Ford Escape. It was having a stall issue. They would do it randomly. Well, this is the harness going to the crankshaft sensor. And as you can see, the wires are completely bare. I mean, completely bare, and this was all covered up. This had like that cloth electric tape from the factory, and it had a plastic sheath over it, or wire loom. But the wire, the protective rubber coating, just ate away, and then this wire would just arc over on itself, causing the motor to lose the signal of the crank and dying. Fortunately, of course, you know, it wouldn't throw a code for that. It would throw a code for everything else. So before you start, you know, throwing money at it with like sensors and whatnot, check your wiring harnesses. And I mean, that'll go for any vehicle. I mean, that's crazy. I've never seen wire just melt like that, or dissolve, or whatever it did. But that's crazy. I mean, nothing was wearing on it. Nothing. It was just something got in there and just dissolved the coat, the rubber plastic coating. You know, the cover over the wire, whatever the hell it's called. So you might be able to save yourself some money and just you know, check your wiring harnesses. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.